Rhinos live in Africa and Asia. They are nocturnal, resting in the shade most of the day and being active at night. Black rhinos are solitary males, while females and their young live together. White rhinos live in small groups of 2 to 5 individuals. They usually have 2 horns, one for the white rhino, one for the black rhino, and one for the Sumatran rhino, which is found in Africa and on the Indonesian island of Sumatra. The Indian and Javan rhinos, found in Nepal, India, and the Indonesian island of Java, have 1. 3-horned rhinos are very rare in Africa. 3-horned rhinos are very rare. Because of their appearance, you'd think their skin would be very hard and rough, but it's actually quite smooth and soft. Rather, the rough, hard skin of an elephant is so hard that it can almost be considered reinforced rubber or asphalt. Rhinos are less aggressive than African elephants and hippos, which means they're less likely to run amok. But they're still fierce and not meant to be ridden by humans. There is also a perception that rhinos are gentle. This is because the white rhino is the largest of the rhinos and lives in Africa. It's just that they're a little more gentle than other rhinos. Despite their gentleness, white rhinos are still capable of flipping cars over.
With their cute appearance, pandas are always adorable. Pandas usually weigh between 70 and 120 kilograms. Females are about 10 to 20% smaller than males. Pandas have a typical carnivore's digestive system. During their evolution, they lost the ability to taste the flavor of meat. Rather than laboriously catch and eat meat, their dietary habits changed when they realized that it was easier to eat the bamboo around them. but they got less nutrition from bamboo than from meat. So the pandas eat more than 30 kilograms of bamboo every day to fill their nutritional needs. For snacks, they eat grains, eggs, apples, bananas, and carrots. Thanks to the efforts of many people, the panda was downgraded from endangered to vulnerable in 2021. Pandas don't live in groups like bears and most other animals. They only live with their young when they're raising them, but most of the time they're alone. Compared to bears, they have a milder personality. Pandas in captivity are used to being around humans from birth, so they're not wary of them. The adorable panda. So cute.